my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making some glitter slime. So yeah, if you like this video, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll link my social medias down below. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the first item you're going to need is some glitter glue. And then you're gonna need some borax. I'm sorry I couldn't find another recipe that doesn't use borax, but I found my borax at Target for about $5. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna dump your whole bottle of glitter glue. And then I filled the bottle up with water and added that together and mixed it together. And then after that, you're gonna get 1 cup of water and a teaspoon of borax and mix that together until completely combined. So once all that's combined, you're gonna wanna start adding your solution into the glue, but you're gonna wanna add it slowly. And you're gonna wanna mix slowly. And once you see that your glue solution is like a thick paste, not a thick paste, but you know, like a gooey kind of thing, you're gonna want to take it out with your hands and start kneading it. It's gonna be sticky, so it's gonna get less stickier when you start kneading it together with your hands. So you'll know when your slime is ready when it feels nice and like slime. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. And if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.